How to fix a tubeless puncture with Scott Adventure. First of all, find the culprit. There it is. Then remove it. Mark the hole just in case you lose it. And that's what came out. This is the reaming tool to get the hole to the correct size for the D-ring, the best way to fix a puncture. Push it in and twist it around until the hole is about the size of a pencil. It's best to get your friend to do this because it's a horrible job. Okay, put the D-ring onto the applicator like that. And then use the vulcanizing glue on the D-ring. It acts as a lubricant as well. Some on here. And then press it in without turning. About halfway. Remember not to turn, pull the applicator straight out. Cut the D-ring, leaving about 4 millimeters sticking out. Wipe the glue around to make it look nice. Everything you need for the job is in the Explore puncture kit. CO2 tubes to pump it up, spare D-rings, punches, knife, adapter, glue, chalk, and the insertion tool. Screw the inflation tool coupler onto the valve. Always make sure you hold the gas bottle with a rag because it gets very cold. Screw it into the coupler. It'll puncture the gas canister and inflate the tire. You'll need 2 of these to get you going. You should always have one of these handy little tire gauges in your tool pack on the bike. Check the tire pressure afterwards. There we have just over 2 bars. Most people let their tires down to 1 bar or 1.5 bar for soft sand riding. It does make it a lot easier, but you also tend to get more punches. 2 bar for stony, gravelly roads, you also can get more punches. I keep it at 2.8 to 3. I'll battle along because I'm so good and I don't get punches.